In 1896, a plague broke out in Bombay, which was what Mumbai was called back then. Please relax. A plague broke out in Bombay in 1896, and this plague originated in China. It sounds very strange, but that's what happened again back then. Now, at that point of time, of course, the people in charge of the country were the British. I don't know if you remember that they were around for quite some time. And they were trying to basically deal with this plague while also dealing with the famine, and they did not deal with either very well. They did not. Okay, there was a shortage of doctors at that point of time. So in 1897, to deal with future crises like this, which again happened in 1904, they decided to implement a law, which was the Epidemic Diseases Act. What this law basically said was that because back then again there was a massive shortage of doctors, what they said was that if you're a private doctor, during a time of an epidemic or a pandemic or whatever it is, you have to come in and work or your license is revoked. Now, this sounds like a very draconian thing to implement. It sounds like something that conquerors would implement. It sounds like someone who has forced themselves upon you, as opposed to, it doesn't sound very democratic. In 2020, the Mumbai government once again implemented the same law, which said that doctors, private doctors, have to show up for work or have their licenses revoked. Now, look, I can't even imagine how hard it is to be part of the authorities or be part of the government that's dealing with a crisis like this. It's insane dealing with a crisis like this. Dude, I lose to my building secretary about like water. So I can't even imagine dealing with all these things across a state. But why do you have to implement this? Why can't you ever appeal to the better side of people? We go around every day for the last 40 days. Everybody's been going like, Dr. Log bahut mast hai, Dr. Log hero hai, which they are. But our implementation of expressing that is to say, हाँ खिड़की के बाहर डंग 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 करो या दिया जलाओ. Doctor, thank you so much. Good night. मैं YouTube पे वापस जा रहा है. Why can't you appeal to the better side of people, right? As soon as this was implemented, I spoke to friends of mine who are all private doctors. I spoke to 11 of them. I asked 11 of them, I'm like, hey, do you want to go out there and help during the COVID crisis? Out of the 11 I spoke to, just 11 said yes. Only 11 of them, 100% said, of course we want to serve. हम लोग डॉक्टर किस चीज के लिए बने? That is nobility. And that is again something that a lot of people in the authorities don't understand. What they actually assume is कि मैं स्वार्थी हूं तो पूरी दुनिया भी स्वार्थी होगी. वो काम नहीं करेंगे जब तक हम उनको threaten ना करें. Why can't you appeal to them? Why can't you say, doctors, listen, this is going to happen probably once in your entire lifetime, where the country needs you, the city needs you, the society needs you, your family needs you. You're going out there and fighting for all of us. So please come out there and help us fight against this terrible disease so we can conquer it with your help. As opposed to saying, ये काम कर नहीं तो तेरा सारा out, लाइसेंस निकल यहाँ से. 4.5 साल तू पढ़ाई किया, उसके बाद 5 साल और पढ़ाई किया, उसके बाद 10 साल प्रैक्टिस किया, सब out. None of it allowed. License revoked. About 1,400 doctors have so far signed up, and 2,500 more are expected to sign up, which is great. We really desperately need your help as any kind of doctor, any kind of medical practitioner out there. We need your help. Okay, and most of you are amazing people, and some of you have your reasons, but most of you are amazing to go out there and help us. I just want to say thanks a lot for doing this. However, while they have implemented this, they have not cared about facilities for doctors. This is on my Twitter, you can go check it out. There were some interns, medical interns who showed up to serve. The way this service works is that 15 days you serve at the public hospital and 15 days you have to self-quarantine, right? Because zarurat hai. Self-quarantine matlab you need quarters. First of all, these guys were told to go to 3 different places in Mumbai during lockdown. How are they magical creatures or what? उन लोगों ने teleportation devices रखे हुए हैं लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे, बस उनके लिए अलग से Uber चल रहा है. I don't understand what you expect. Three separate places to show up to. They showed up at the quarters and discovered to their joy that the quarters did not have mattresses or beds. यार what is this यार? डॉक्टर को हमेशा बेड के लिए लड़ना पड़ता है क्या? हॉस्पिटल में भी, क्वार्टर में भी, everywhere there are no beds. What do authorities think? है डॉक्टर है, डॉक्टर सोता है क्या? कभी देखा नहीं मैंने, पर्सनली नहीं देखा तो नहीं होता होगा. There was no water. There was a water supply for them. Because again, authorities are like, तुम लोग पानी भी पीते हो क्या? वो saline drip डालो ना अपने आप, क्या टेंशन है? Dude, we can't implement mattresses and beds for people who are our forefront fighters. PPE कहाँ से लाओगे तुम लोग? Can you imagine showing up for this and realizing mattress नहीं है तो PPE किधर है? How can you be so callous about this? I can't get it. There's a lot of buildings, okay, in across the country, and you've heard these stories where doctors who go out there and fight the virus basically come back to these buildings and find that they're persecuted by their building people who are like, hey, isko virus ho gaya, isse baat mat kar, chi, hat. What the fuck is wrong with you people? What is wrong with you? Listen, if you find a doctor in your building who's going out there and working for COVID, please talk to them and ask them if they need help. दूर से करो. Do social distancing. From very far, wear a mask and say, Dr. Sahib या Dr. Sahiba, अगर आपको किस चीज की जरूरत हो तो हमें बताइए. Please, we will help you. और groceries चाहिए हम लाएंगे आपके लिए. अगर आपको खाना चाहिए हम पकाएंगे आपके लिए. Because here is the truth of the matter. आप हमारे सिपाही हैं. That is the thing. एक अगर सिपाही बॉर्डर से एक जंग जीत के वापस आए तुम्हारी बिल्डिंग में, you're not going to tell him, hey, निकल यहाँ से, क्या रे? You're going to say thank you so much for your service. Do the same for doctors. There is no other line of defense out there. I just want to tell you, in whatever capacity, okay, even if you're working, if you're with the authorities, if you're with the government, whatever you're doing to help us out right now, we appreciate you a lot. ठीक है, no matter what capacity, if you're working in whatever medical capacity, if you're a doctor, you're a nurse, you're a ward boy, you're the security guy, उनकी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी सख्त. Even if you're the guy at a hospital who's like, hey भाई साहब इधर इंश्योरेंस चाहिए, इंश्योरेंस, हाँ बहुत अच्छी जगह है पूछने के लिए इंश्योरेंस के बारे में. Whatever you are, whatever format you're working, I know sometimes it seems to you like the only doctors that authorities care about is Dr. Malia, but please know, we really care about you deeply, and we will cheerleader you for whatever you need. We will try and help you in whatever capacity we can. As a comedian, all I can offer you is my stupid jokes. If you need money for PPEs, please email me pantonfirecomedy@gmail.com. Most of us have already attempted to do this. We will do it again. We'll continue doing it for as long as you need us to do it. We will raise funds for you with the help of wonderful people out there and send the money directly to you. If we can do it, we will try and do it. Please email me pantonfirecomedy@gmail.com. You guys are awesome. Stay safe. Keep helping us stay safe. We salute you. You guys are awesome. Here is some bhindi made personally by me. Goodbye.